Taking advantage of the powerful Atlantic winds off the coast of Portugal, the Windfloat, a new floating wind turbine, pioneers the endless possibilities of the deep waters.
Well, if you look at the map of Europe, you will see that there is a lot of installations in the South North Sea, and the reason is very simple: it's shallow water. However, the rest of Europe is deep water, and so the answer becomes very simple. If you have a solution for deep water installations for offshore wind, you'll be able to expand in a lot more areas where you may not be able to do it today.
In 2011, Vestas partnered with Principal Power and EDP in the Wind Plus agreement with the aim of developing and exploiting the enormous deep water potential. But offshore, conditions are challenging. Mighty waves and strong winds make great demands to a floating turbine in the Atlantic Ocean. At quayside, in the harbor of Lisnov shipyard in Portugal, a Vestas V80 turbine is assembled atop a three-legged floating platform before the completed system is towed northward in the open Atlantic, some 400 kilometers to its final installation site, 5 kilometers offshore of Agusadora. Each of the three legs in the floating unit provides stability and helps dampen wind and wave-induced motions. A secondary hull trim system ensures that the system produces the maximum amount of energy possible, regardless of wind direction or speed. As wind conditions change, a small fraction of ballast water is redistributed to give the platform an average pitch angle of 0. From Vestas's range of offshore turbines, the V80 2.0 megawatt was picked out to do the job.
We wanted to have only one technology development variable, and since the Vestas V80 machine is a already established machine with a very long track record, we wanted to use this piece of machine because it's already tested.
A trusted machine allows for continuous improvement.
We are also installing a lot of instrumentation for our technology group so they can measure and learn a lot for future projects and new developments.
Constantly exploring the possibilities of deep water wind energy, Vestas and the other partners in Wind Plus raise the bar for producing low-cost energy in offshore projects.
We believe that performance of the turbine will be actually improved rather than degraded. So these are all the things that we think and we can model and we can predict. Now is going to be the time to demonstrate.
The Windfloat provides a strong business case for Vestas, Principal Power, and EDP to explore the huge deep water potential that lies offshore. Together, we can meet the world's increasing energy demand for us and for future generations.